So sometimes life just kinda gets away from you, and this week is definitely one of those weeks for me. I like to try to consider myself to be somebody who tries to stay organized, but fact of the matter is right now I'm not. Right now, my room is pretty unorganized, not super cute, so we're gonna go ahead and try to fix that right now. Alright, so here is my dresser with all of my makeup and stuff on top in all of its glory. This is my cat Sammy. So this is my dirty clothes slash makeshift closet area. It's honestly not in that bad of shape. Here's my couch, and it's probably the reason that my closet space isn't very dirty because this is where I tend to put all of my dirty clothes. So this is the area that I stream and play most of my games. And then probably the worst part of our room, Chris. Here's a suitcase that we're kind of using as a makeshift side table, which is kind of embarrassing. Hazel, say hi. Hi,
she waved!
This is our bed. We have a king size Tempur-Pedic bed. It's a great bed, but man, it looks awful. So I got some new pillowcases and stuff, and I hope to make this look better. And then here is Chris's desk. We don't have a bookshelf anymore, so all of our books are kind of sitting underneath his desk. And then drawers of death. These things are not taking to our clothing very well. They've fallen multiple times. They're hard to open because of the weight of everything. So, we're replacing those today. You ready for this, Chris? You ready for a room makeover?
I'm ready for it as long as Hazel's ready for it.
Come on, do something cute for the camera again, girl. Let's see it.
She doesn't even have to do anything cute. She's just cute in general.
So I thought this part would go by quickly, but unfortunately,
it's definitely not going to go by quickly.
It's definitely not going to go by quickly. So
I'm going to do a quick snap effect. So when you snap, it's going to be done.
Okay. Right here?
Yep.
Okay, so we are finally finished with our complete room makeover. I'd be lying if I said it didn't take a little longer than I expected it to, but we're finally done and it looks so good. Today, I feel like we were actually really able to accomplish making our own workspaces work and really get like the maximum functionality, and actually get the maximum functionality out of our room and something that we really enjoy calling our own. But ultimately, what it's going to come down to, like it does every time, we're going to like it for about 3 months and then we're going to decide that we need to completely redo everything again. So I hope you like these types of videos because they might be consistent. But all in all, it just feels like good. Like I just feel like a new person. I feel like I have a whole new bedroom. I have a whole new living space. I know I'm gonna sleep like a literal baby tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you really did enjoy this video, please make sure to thumbs it up so I know if I should continue doing these types of things. And make sure you guys subscribe. As you know, I am posting every Thursday now, so I'm really excited for you guys to see even more of my content from here on out.